to the McCall's baking channel. Today we will be making beautiful, realistic gum paste flowers. Follow along to learn how to make perfect, delicate floral decorations that will make your cakes and desserts look amazing. Let's get started. You will need a flower ridge board, a firm flower foam rolling board, a flower shaper modeling tool, a flower baller tool, a flower veining tool. You will also need 2 flower leaf cutters in small and large, a Calyx cutter, a water pen, and floral wires. Start with your McCall's Readymade gum paste. Dip the gum paste in some powdered pink food coloring, then knead the gum paste until it's nice pastel pink color. Add more powdered dye if needed. Take out your Ateco Floral Wires and cut them into thirds, then wrap the wires in green floral tape. Knead a small piece of white gum paste into a teardrop shape to create the center of the rose. Dip the wrapped floral wire in water and then stick it into the center of the gum paste teardrop. Pinch the bottom to seal it around the wire. To make your first rose, start with some of your light pink gum paste. Roll it with a small rolling pin, dusting the gum paste with cornstarch to help prevent it from sticking. You want the gum paste to be very thin, about 1/16 of an inch. This will make it look like a real, delicate flower petal. Use your 5-petal cutter to cut out the first set of rose leaves. Save the gum paste scraps as you can reuse them later. Place the flower on a soft foam board. Use your ball tool to gently roll the edges of each petal, thinning them out more and also letting the petal get slightly wavy and more realistic looking. Place the gum paste flower petal on a small sponge to make it easier to handle. Press your wire flower center through the middle of your petals. Use a water brush full of fondant glue to paint the flower center. Press the flower petals onto the center, layering them on one at a time and wrapping each petal around the center cone. Paint on extra glue to help the petals stick. This will create your rosebud. Pinch the bottom of the rosebud to seal it to the wire and also to seal the petals in place. Fold back the petals gently to make them look lifelike and beautiful. Think about how a rosebud looks in real life and try to mimic that look. Roll out another piece of pink gum paste and cut out a second set of petals. Use your ball tool to roll each petal once again. Stick the wire with the rosebud through the second petal layer. Use your water brush to stick the petals on again. Keep in mind that you want the petals to look loose and natural, so don't be afraid to let them fall into place. Flip the rose and pinch the gum paste around the wire again. Pinch the top edge of the petals to help the petals flare out and get that perfect look. Add another layer of petals to make your rose even larger. You can even add individual petals to help fill in any gaps and finish out your perfect gum paste rose. Roll out some dark green gum paste to make flower calyx. This is the green petal-like base around the bottom of most flowers that connects the bud to the stem. You can cut all 3 calyx at once. Use a small pair of scissors to cut the edges of each calyx and make it look more lifelike and delicate. Move the calyx to a foam rolling board. Use a ball tool to roll each petal inward, curling them up and giving them dimension. Stick the rose through the center of the sepal and stick it to the base of the rose using your water brush. Make a small log in green gum paste. Press the log into the bottom of your floral board, giving the green gum paste long ridges. Use a leaf plunger cutter to cut out rose leaves, centering the cutter over the ridge in the gum paste. You want the ridge to go right down the middle of the leaf. Use small scissors to snip the edges of the leaf. Stick a small floral wire into the ridge of each leaf. The wire should be inside the gum paste. Use a ball roller to thin the edges of the leaf. Press a leaf shaping tool into the bottom of the leaf to help it curl up. Press a floral star tool into the center of a small ball of gum paste and then snip the ball with scissors to create flower petals. Squeeze each petal with your fingers to press it flat. Press a vein tool into the center of each petal. Push a small floral wire through the center of the mini flower. Get out some red, green, and pink petal dust. Use a paintbrush to gently dust the rosebud, giving the flower some dimension and extra color. Dust the tips of the petals with red floral food coloring dust. Dust the leaves with green petal dust. Then use a red petal dust and skinny brush to add dimension to the leaves. Dust the flower calyx with green as well. Bind the flower and the leaves together using floral tape. Wrap them tightly to ensure that they are secure. You can adjust and restick the floral tape as needed to make your bouquet of flowers look perfect. You have now created a beautiful bunch of gum paste flowers that will be perfect to decorate any cake or dessert. You can make these gum paste roses in any colors, matching them to your decor and cake themes, so get creative and have fun. If you want to see more videos from us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and also on Facebook. We have tons of easy-to-follow videos that will help you make easy desserts. Check out McCall's.ca for your dessert and gum paste flower needs. Tag us at Love McCall's whenever you use our great products. We love to see what you create. We'll see you next time.